filming Peter, filming me.
Don't film me.
He's like, okay, let's all of us go. We'll leave this baby here. And,
he hasn't seen her
We're
yet.
ready to go.
continue with our lives. I don't know what you were doing, but... oh, no, what's that red light?
Hi, sweet little girl. Hi, Violet. Isn't she so sweet? Hmm?
I can't lift him up there, so.
Oh, I'll get him. You want to videotape him? Let's see what his reaction is. This is your sister. Here's your baby, Jack. It's your baby. More interested in that. Is that Jackson's baby? That's Jackson's baby. Say hi, baby. Is that Jackson's baby? That's for your Jackson. So oh, hi, baby.
Are you waving? What is she doing? She sleeping?
No. It really looks just like him. Doesn't it?
Yeah. You think she's cute? Oh, you see the monkey. That's exciting.
It's for you, Jack. It's like Jack with tons of hair.
Yeah.